As I told you in my previous video, I will show you what is JUKEBOX function on Panasonic hi-fi systems. So basically what you need to do is download JUKEBOX function from the Play Store. So download function, install. Open. Now you need to put your Bluetooth on. So now hi-fi is playing the music which is in your phone. Now I go back on the JUKEBOX function. Just typed which device I'm using. Now I've got the JUKEBOX function on, and I have options here. I can go on YouTube, I can use remote control. So you get in remote control, can use all function as normally with the normal remote control. So you can volume up, down. Also there is another volume button over here. Some settings, so you can do manual. You have manual equalizer, you can go on preset equalizer, go to 14 different preset, dynamic big bass, menu. You can go on music player, and if you have any songs in your phone, you get over there. It's quite interesting function because if you lose remote control or if it's broken, you can use your mobile phone as a remote controller.